Hello friends and welcome back. In this session we are going to see how we can install Docker and Docker Compose on Amazon EC2 instance. So basically we will choose Ubuntu image here. So first of all you need an access to Amazon Web Service Management Console. If you do not have an account, I would highly recommend you to go ahead and create your account. Okay, so once you have an account, you will get this dashboard. You will be able to see this dashboard. So you can access EC2 either from this services menu. Under compute, you will find EC2, or you can search here as well, like EC2. Okay, so click on EC2. Okay, so go ahead on click on instances. Under the instances, you will find all of your instances. So as of now, I do not have any running instance here. So I'll go ahead and launch one of the instance. So in order to do that, we need to click on launch instance. Okay, I'll select Ubuntu image, select FreeTire T2 micro instance. Okay, in this screen, everything will be by default. Only thing like we need to change here is auto assign public IP. So we need to make it enable so that our instance will get the public IP, and through that public IP, we can access our instance remotely. Okay, then add storage. We will go ahead with the default storage here. You can add new tag here if you want. I'll add simply name tag, and name is Docker Ubuntu. Configure security group. We will select an existing security group here. So I'll select the default one, review and launch, and then simply click on launch. So basically you can choose one of your existing key pair here, or you can create a new also, but I'm creating a new key pair. I'll just mention the key pair name is Docker image. Go ahead and save it somewhere at your convenient place. Okay, and now click on launch instances. Now let's go ahead on the desktop where we have downloaded our key. So this is our key. It is in by default .pym format. So this .pym format key is required if we log in from one of the Linux server, or if we log into the EC2 instance from putty session. Okay, but as we are using here Windows, so we need to convert it into .ppk key. So for that you need puttygen. So if you do not have puttygen, download the puttygen, just open it and load the key here. Yeah. Okay, select the key. Now the key has been loaded, and then we can save private key as a ppk key. Okay, so just mention again Docker image. So just remove the extension and then mention ppk extension. That's it. Save it. Now you can see this key has been generated. Now let's go ahead on EC2 console. I think server might be ready. It should be up and running. Yes, it is in running state. Okay, here you can see this, our instance is in running state. Click on the instance, and here you will see public IP. Just copy that public IP, go to again desktop, open putty session. Now we need to plug in our here ppk key. Just mention it here and open. I'll increase the font little bit so that it will be convenient for you to see. Okay, it looks like something is not wrong. We are not able to access our EC2 instance. So let's go ahead and jump into the EC2 console. Okay, I know what is the issue. It is related to security group. Okay, so just have a look on our inbound rule. So basically this inbound rule says like all ports are open all for all protocol, but that is within this VPC. Okay. So the server is accessible within this VPC. Outside of this VPC, server is not accessible. So what we can do, we just need to add one extra rule here. Okay, so go to the security group here, select our security group ID, and then here you can see inbound rules and outbound rules. So in inbound rules, we need to add one more rule here. Click on add rule, select the rule name here. It is SSH protocol. Okay, and select here anywhere or my IP, but it's better to use my IP so that our instance is accessible only for our network. Okay, so this is my IP, and then save the rules. Okay, now just restart our session, and that's it. We are able to access our EC2 instance now. Okay, so by default username here will be Ubuntu because our image is Ubuntu. So just enter the username Ubuntu, and that's it. You are able to access server now. Okay, now we will see like how we can install Docker and Docker Compose in this instance. So go to your browser, open another tab, and just search here Docker install Ubuntu. That's it. The very first link you will get like install Docker engine on Ubuntu, and the link is docs.docker.com. So click on this image or click on this link. Okay, so basically all these steps we need to follow, but yes, there is an easy way to install Docker now, and we don't need to go and follow this hectic installation procedure. Okay, so go a little bit down. Okay, this is the command. Like basically, if you go and open this link, this is basically a script which is created by Docker, and this script itself is take installation for all Linux flavors. So let's say if you're using CentOS, Ubuntu, Red Hat, okay, then the script will take care with respect to installation. So just search for Ubuntu. Okay, so you will see here the respective installation procedure is already included. If we search here CentOS, we will find CentOS and RTL also. So the respective installation procedure is taken care here itself. Okay, so just copy this command curl, okay, and enter here. So basically this will create a script here, get docker.sh, and you just need to run this script, sudo sh get docker.sh. That's it. This script will take care of everything. It will install Docker and the respective dependencies which are needed for Docker. It will take some time. So meanwhile, we'll go into the browser. We have done this one, and now the next thing is like we need to run this command. Why we need to run this? Because once this installation complete, right? I'll show you like how we can verify the Docker installation, Docker version, and Docker info. But in order to create or use Docker command using our Ubuntu user, so we need to add this Ubuntu user in a Docker group. Okay, so let me show you. Let me clear the screen here. Okay, Docker version. Okay, so we can list here version, but here you can see, right? got permission denied while trying to connect to the Docker daemon socket. Okay, so basically it needs some privileges. Okay, so we need to assign some privileges to our Ubuntu user so that it should run the Docker commands without any permission issue. Even if you use Docker info, okay, so it again says like permission denied. So what we can do, copy this command and just replace the username with your desired username. So I'll mention here Ubuntu is my username and that's it. Okay, so now what we can do, I'll open a duplicate terminal here, log in with Ubuntu. Okay, now if we see Docker version, yeah, now we are able to get all the details. Okay, so now any command we can use using our Ubuntu user. Okay, so this is just a simple procedure to install Docker. We just need to execute these three commands: get the script, run the script, and add our respective user into the Docker group. That's it. You're ready for the Docker. Now we have finished Docker installation. So now we will go ahead with Docker Compose installation. So what we need to do, go to your browser again, open new tab and just search Docker Compose release GitHub. Okay, so you will get this link, releases Docker Compose, very first link. Just click on that. Okay, and go to the respective version which you are looking. I think this is the latest version. This is the latest stable release, I think. Yes. Okay, and then we need this one, Docker Compose Linux x86 64. So just copy the link address and go to a terminal and then run sudo curl -l and then paste the link, and output file should be temp docker-compose. Okay, just execute it and that's it. Very simple Docker Compose installation. We just need to download the code. Now that we have finished Docker Compose installation, so just assign execute permission to the Docker Compose and that's it. Oh, I forgot to mention sudo. Okay, now if we are Docker Compose --- version, we should get the respective version details. Okay, now every time we cannot simply run temp Docker Compose whenever we need to use Docker Compose, right? So what we can do, we can simply move it to user local bin. Yeah, again sudo. That's it. Temp Docker-compose. Okay, now if I'll go and just run the tab, I can see here Docker-compose, right? So I do not need to mention full path. Yeah, and that's it. That's it all. This is all about Docker and Docker Compose installation.